Okay, afternoon, Miss. Today we're going to do evaluation. I will evaluate from the homework and then some checkpoints questions review that you made here in your RP. So I'll start from checkpoint questions for little step. Can you please mention some characters to describe a person?
Okay, so we can try to describe a person is they are big, they are tall, curly, straight, short, tall, fat, thin, everything.
What is wild animal?
And so is
What is wild animal?
wild animal is an animal that lives in the jungle or in nature. They are they cannot live with a human because they are dangerous and we can live with them in our possession.
We cannot live with them.
Yes, because they are.
So we cannot make them as our pet? Cannot.
No, cannot.
Alright. So, can you classify which animals are herbivore? Maybe you give the definition first. What is herbivore? What is carnivore? And the example.
Well, animals. Alright. Okay, animals. The general. They are separated by two species. There is. They are herbivore and carnivore. Herbivore is the animal that only eats the plants, such as giraffe, monkey, cow, and for carnivore is the animal that only eats the meats. They are lion, tiger, cheetah, and many more.
Alright. Can you mention some kinds of profession?
Okay, some kind of profession that around us is they are doctor, pilot, army, teacher, chef, and many more professions.
What do we need to grow a plant?
That we need to grow a plant is just we will put the plants outside, and then they will have sunlight, and then water from the rain maybe, or we will put the water on them, and then they will grow.
How many times do we need to eat in a day?
We need 3 times in a day. We need to eat 3 times in a day. They are breakfast, we need breakfast, and then lunch, and then dinner.
Can you elaborate kinds of food and what is the function of each of them?
Kind of food is healthy food and unhealthy food. Healthy food such as rice and corn, and then fruits, some kind of fruits, vegetables, and many more. And for the unhealthy food, such as burger and soda, biscuit, and ice cream, chocolate, and many more.
Right. What do you know about weather?
Weather is the sky condition that can change anytime. There are 7: rainy, sunny, foggy, stormy, windy, cloudy, snowy.
Can you please repeat rainy, sunny?
7: sunny, rainy, stormy, snowy, windy, cloudy, foggy.
Can you classify the objects that made from metal and glass?
Metal and glass. For metal, some kind of object that we see maybe every day, just like keys, tables, No, the tables. The legs of the table, chair, and then forks, spoon, and then more. And for the glass, we usually see glass. This is like table, cupboard, and plate from the glass, and then window, and window.
Okay, now we move to SP Bahasa. Di sini kegiatan apa saja sih yang kita lakukan dan orang tua di rumah?
Yang biasa kita lakukan bersama dengan orang tua di rumah ada banyak, bisa seperti menonton televisi bersama, bermain bersama, menggambar bersama atau belajar bersama, bisa juga bermain bersama atau ya bercengkrama bersama.
Apa yang dimaksud dengan buku dan apa yang bisa kita lakukan terhadap buku dan di mana kita bisa mencari buku-buku yang kita inginkan?
Buku adalah berisi tulisan-tulisan yang berisi ilmu pengetahuan. Cara untuk kita merawatnya adalah cara kita untuk menjaga buku itu adalah dengan merawatnya, tidak mencoret-coretnya, dengan menjaganya baik dan meletakkannya di tempat-tempat yang seharusnya seperti rak buku, meja dan sebagainya. Dan di mana kita biasanya menemukan buku seperti perpustakaan, di sekolah, biasanya kita kalau di rumah di meja belajar ataupun di rak buku.
Apa yang diperlukan manusia? Kebutuhan-kebutuhan apa yang diperlukan manusia?
Ada 3 klasifikasi pokok, yaitu sandang, pangan, papan. Pangan adalah makanan dan minuman sehari-hari. Sandang adalah pakaian kita, dan papan adalah rumah tempat tinggal kita.
Coba sebutkan jenis-jenis makanan dan minuman yang kamu ketahui.
Jenis makanan ada makanan pokok atau seperti nasi, jagung, atau mungkin jenis-jenis buah-buahan, mangga, apel dan sebagainya, sayur mayur, dan bisa juga makanan-makanan camilan-camilan ataupun snack. Untuk minuman sendiri dimulai dari minuman-minuman yang sehat seperti air mineral, susu, bisa juga meliputi minuman-minuman kaleng atau minuman-minuman beras.
Bagaimana kamu mendeskripsikan bentuk buah jeruk dan bentuk buah jeruk dan coklat dan bentuk coklat?
Untuk buah jeruk sendiri bentuknya adalah bulat dan atau lingkaran. Untuk coklat sendiri adalah persegi panjang.
Oke. Apa perbedaan makanan yang sehat dan tidak sehat? Contohnya bagaimana? Apa aja?
Makanan sehat adalah makanan-makanan yang mengandung vitamin atau zat-zat yang dibutuhkan oleh tubuh. Contohnya seperti sayur-sayuran, kayak wortel, vitamin A yang dibutuhkan oleh tubuh seperti nata, ada juga buah-buahan, susu untuk kalsium bagi tubuh manusia, dan karbohidrat serta protein dari hewani dan sebagainya. Itu adalah jenis-jenis makanan yang sehat. Untuk makanan tidak sehat biasanya kita temukan pada cemilan-cemilan atau snack. Biasanya ini hanya untuk tidak untuk memenuhi kebutuhan tubuh atau tidak mengandung vitamin atau apapun yang dibutuhkan oleh tubuh. Itu hanya camilan-camilan yang terasa enak di lidah. seperti coklat, ice cream, soda, minuman bersoda, dan snack manis dan juga asin seperti Oreo dan sebagainya.
Apa saja contoh hewan yang bisa terbang?
Hewan-hewan yang bisa terbang pastinya burung, burung-burung seperti burung hantu, burung elang, burung merpati dan sebagainya.
Oke, coba sebutkan bagian-bagian tubuh yang terdapat pada bebek.
Pada bebek ada mata, ada
Fungsinya untuk apa itu? Dan masing-masing fungsinya.
fungsinya mata untuk hewan bebek itu sendiri melihat, dan ada juga paruhnya. Paruhnya itu dikhususkan untuk mencari makanan, seperti ikan yang paruhnya itu sangat baik untuk menangkap ikan. Ada juga kakinya, kaki bebek ada dua dan itu selaput, itu digunakan untuk bisa berenang, sehingga bebek itu bisa berenang dan mencari makan di air.
Alright. Now, can you please explain about this?
Okay, this one we have a review on Monday, and we will the teacher will be asking student to make it together, to do it together in this task. We will review together, and then we will ask the student to come to the front, and they will write by themselves the answer for the box, the answer for the question based from the sounds and based from the picture.
So, how about this? So,
The first
here,
is height, and then picture number 1 is height, picture number 2 is wide, number 3 is right, and number 4 is tight.
tight. Which one is tight? Here?
Number 4.
Okay. So, how about this? Do you do this?
This one, actually, this one for writing, for the homework, but for the review, we only read it together.
Oh. Just read together. All?
Yes, all.
How about this?
This one, we will match the sentences to the pictures. We will basically we will read it together, the sentences, and then we will looking for the picture. Where's the picture belongs to the sentences? Where's the match, the correct picture?
You do directly. I mean, together.
Yes, together. But we will asking the student one by one, like, okay, this one, where are the pictures? Okay, and then they will match the sentences to the
They
picture.
will draw the arrow to connect the word with the picture. How about this one?
This one is also same. It's actually writing, but we just
Change the
together.
wording. How many times? I mean, like number 1. Is it only one time? For example, the cake is in the way. Only one time. Then the second one directly. Or
It's
repeat again. Again.
if they can make it the
If the pronunciation
yeah,
is good.
we will
Continue.
go to the next. But sometimes there are the words or the phrase that is, for example, lime. There's a student like say lim. We will say lime, say lime, and then we will say it together. It's not good.
Alright. This one? Do you do this? Dibaca tulis?
No, miss.
No? So you don't review this?
Yes.
Why?
Oh, we review. I think maksudnya membuat hal yang ini. We review just now this day today. We have the first one. We
Okay, wait. After will, don't say looking. We will look. Okay. Or we will be looking. There is be. We will be looking or we will look. Okay. So it means that you and the students will choose from the box the correct answer. I mean the correct words, and then you put here. How about this? Is it
It's actually same with sounds great.
Reading?
Yes, reading. But this from Sahabat Books.
do you need to do spelling first or directly read Dino melihat wayang?
Yeah.
The E and O.
No, no spell.
No spelling wrong.
Yes.
I mean, can you make sure that all the students have been able to read this?
Not every student able to read the
So?
so we there's a student that fluent to read, but there's a student can't.
How will you give the solution for the rest that cannot read the words?
We will read it slowly.
Slowly.
But sometimes the student that able, they are just like bored.
But for the students that who has been able to read,
Yes.
they will be feeling bored like that.
Or just 50-50. Yes, we read it slowly, and then for the able one and not unable one, yeah, that's 50-50 solution.
Alright. I need to ask one question. I hope it is not mistaken. Alright, so there is no more any spelling in your class. There's no more spelling.
Sometimes we spell in Sanskrit.
Sanskrit. When do you do the Sanskrit? Monday and
Mondays until Wednesday.
Monday,
Tuesday, Wednesday.
Wednesday.
Yes.
Oh, is it
Until Wednesday.
until Wednesday?
Yes. Until Wednesday.
Until now?
And this one is
This week, I mean.
Yes.
This week until Wednesday.
Until this week is review week, right? Miss? And
So if you in the Sanskrit,
we
Monday?
review the Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday.
oh, so Wednesday on Wednesday also you still review for the Sanskrit.
There's so many homework.
Oh yeah, okay. How about this? Right, fine.
This one actually for reading video homework. But for the review week, we put it on reading. I think Monday or Tuesday.
You still do this? Reading this one.
No, miss, because we already have in Sanskrit.
This sounds great, right?
But this one for reading video homework, right? But we already have the Sanskrit for the reading test, for our final test. So we already have the words and the sentences for them to practice in their home, and then they will have it on the test.
How about this?
And it's also this one.
Do you read that?
Actually, we don't read it because it already have in. Just now we discussed it. Like number one, we know already have in Seri Baca Tulis. Because this one for homework reading video homework, right? This for Friday to the next week, right? This for the sentences already.
So in K2 there's no more spelling.
For Sunday.
The spelling.
baca spell. But for the review, we not spell because we have so many
Homework
programs
to be reviewed, yeah. 9 sets, yeah. How about this one, Miss?
This one is sounds great, and then we will circle the correct sentences based from the picture. The first one we will ask the student to read it together, and no, we will see it first the picture, and then we will see where's the correct sentences. And now we will read A like mama.
Oh, so you ask the students to read still, yeah?
And then we will ask them where's the correct statement or sentences.
A or B like that?
A or B. A, B is like that.
A, okay, let us read
It's
together.
more or less.
So, for example, the answer is A. Okay, let us read together. Mom,
I see.
Oh, I see. How about this one?
For this one, the same from the previous one. It's first one we will look the picture, and then we will pick one the correct one phrase from the box, and then we will circle at the box. For example, like what picture is this, guys? Plane. Where's plane? This one. And then we will circle, and then we will rewrite again, and then we will read the sentences together.
How about this? Why do you make like lay cake like that? Can you explain this?
This one also, the first one we will looking for we will the picture first, and then we will read the couple of this phrase, and then we will ask the student what picture is this, guys? Lake. Where's the lake? A or B? A means that, and then we will circle lake, and we will go to the next.
So this one?
This one is also,
Do you do for writing?
yes, for writing for homework. For homework.
I mean for this
right.
week?
For this week we only read it.
Read. No more writing, yeah?
For writing we have dictation.
Dictation. So you change the writing become dictation.
Yes, dictation. Based from the
You dictate from in front, right?
Yes.
And then the students write down. No.
yes, right there.
They still write down.
Yes.
So it means there is still a writing section.
Yes. Writing session after review. For example, there's 3 homework that we will
Three
review
homework.
together on Monday, and then after that for 30 minutes we will have the dictation for like 5 sentences.
So it means that they are still writing.
But we still guide them to write.
When is that? Is it every day?
No,
So?
for only these 3 weeks.
I mean in this review every day from Monday until Friday?
Yes, but for maybe Wednesday we just have writing sentences. There's we will kita sudah menyediakan di whiteboard sentences
We have provided.
we provided them the sentences whiteboard, and then they
Also, it means that there is no dictation on Wednesday.
actually they have dictation, but if we have no time we just make writing sentences, because this subject there's so many part that we day, I think, yeah, we have dictation. But for Wednesday, maybe we just have writing sentences because we have no time.
How many sentences that you provide?
5.
5 sentences, and then they will write them.
Yes, 5 sentences usually. For saya baca di situ 5.
Alright, I think already enough for the evaluation for today, yeah, because mostly like CPK for Little Step, for science, ISP Bahasa, ISP Science, and Sanskrit, you could explain all, even though for Sanskrit that sometimes they, you like blank and still thinking, yeah, some of the Sanskrit explanation I mean, but because almost all that I asked you, you could answer, so I think you passed this time. Thank you, Miss.